In this video lecture, let me discuss the key points for the topic implications of the holistic understanding of harmony in professional ethics. Nature and its classification. Nature is the collection of units. Units are classified into consciousness units and material units. Material unit includes physical order, bio order. Consciousness unit includes animal order and human order. Do the three orders have definite conduct? Yes. Based on their activity, innateness, and inheritance, the three orders can be understood in depth. They self organize according to certain activities that come naturally to them, ensuring definite conduct in three orders. They interact with other units in a mutually fulfilling manner, which is their natural characteristics. Their innateness and natural characteristics are maintained generation after generation by way of their inheritance. In this way, nature is self organized or self regulated and in harmony. In this manner, they are ensuring its definite conduct. Is there mutual fulfillment in three orders? What about the fourth order? The relationship of mutual fulfillment can be observed among the first three orders, other than the human order. The first three orders are enriching the human order. However, human order has a natural acceptance of fulfilling all four orders, but the lack of right understanding, we are unable to fulfill any of the four orders. However, we are exploiting all four orders, including ourselves. Why does a human being need to awaken to the higher activities of the self? The human being needs to awaken to the activities of realization, understanding, and contemplation in the self to actualize its natural characteristic, innateness, and inheritance. Once this happens, the human being will also exhibit definite human conduct. What is the process of human education sanskar? The process of education sanskar is the key to awakening these activities, thus enabling transformation. Human education sanskar enables a child to develop the right understanding and right feeling within and the necessary competence to live accordingly. Further, these children go on to become individuals who are a source of human education and sanskar for the next generation. Explain abundance in nature. Abundance in nature. Whatever is required for any order is available in nature. By its very being, nature is organized in such a manner that the quantities of each of these four orders are in decreasing sequence. That is physical order, bio order, animal order, and human order. Justify natural process of production is cyclic and mutually enriching. The natural process of production is cyclic and mutually enriching. All the physical facilities that we use are produced by working with the three orders of nature. To be mutually fulfilling, our production processes must also be cyclic and mutually fulfilling. In this way, the entire nature and all four orders in nature can be in harmony since the first three orders are already in harmony. Is harmony inherent in nature? Harmony is inherent in nature and it is already there. We do not have to create it. There is every provision in nature for the human being to live in harmony. All that we human beings need to do is to understand this existential harmony and live accordingly, ensuring mutual fulfillment with other human beings as well as with the other orders. What are the three higher order activities of right understanding? Realization, understanding, and contemplation. What are the activities to be awakened in the process of understanding, that is, knowing? Realization, understanding, and contemplation. State two difference between unit and space. Units are limited in size and activities are going on. Space is unlimited and it is active but no activity in space. Define self-organization in space. The unit is in space. It is submerged in space. It is energized. It is self-organized. It recognizes its relationship with every other unit in space and fulfills it. There is definite recognition and fulfillment. Where there is a unit, space is also there. Explain these two statements and how are units coexisting in space. Units are energized in space. Units are self-organized in space. Units recognize their relationship and fulfill it with every other unit in space. What are the three aspects of coexistence in space? Innateness, natural characteristics, and inheritance. What is contemplation? Contemplation is the activity of seeing my participation in the larger order, seeing my relationship with other human beings, and my relationship with the rest of nature. Define understanding. Understanding is the activity of seeing the harmony in nature, seeing the inherent harmony in every unit in nature. What is realization? It is the activity of seeing the coexistence in existence. If I am awakened to this activity, that is, if I have the right understanding and right feeling, it is my internal guide for all my imagination. In which order there is development? Only in the human order there is a potential for development or transformation in the self which is not cyclic. Development or permanent change is possible only in the domain of consciousness. What is human tradition? The continuity of universal human order generation after generation is called human tradition. What is material unit and consciousness unit? The body and the self. The body is a material unit and the self is a consciousness unit. Material units recognize and fulfill their relationship. Their conduct is definite. Consciousness unit recognize and fulfill their relationship based on assuming without knowing or assuming based on knowing. The conduct of the human being is definite if it is operating based on assuming based on knowing. The conduct is indefinite if it is operating based on assuming without knowing. Thank you for watching this video lecture.